So now we have snail and also some ingredient of it. So we will find lemongrass anymore to cook with our snail. So let's go to take lemongrass with me. First we add oil. Then garlic. Red garlic. Kalanka. Castor lamb. Lemongrass. Chili. Chili, and for the last, this one we call turmeric. Yeah. So now we start to mix. Mix it until it's red. Then we start to add our snail. So now we add more some ingredient. This we call sugar, FMG, and also fish sauce. Mix it. sauce. We also add chili sauce too. Water on it. So now after we add water, we continue to cook. Even though it's not yet already cooked, but it looks like so yummy. So I wait maybe 5 minutes later. So now our snail is already cooked, so we can eat. The good stuff. Wow, it's so yummy. It's so yummy, everyone. Wow. The best stuff. Wow, it's so yummy. Wow. This is we call the countryside snail. Wow. Everyone, it's so yummy. It's so yummy, everyone. So you can learn how to cook it by follow my video. It's easy to cook and have a simple ingredient. So now I think it is time to say goodbye. But everybody, please help me to subscribe my channel YouTube if you think my channel are necessary to you. So now let me say goodbye, everyone. Goodbye. Thank you for watching my video and for support me by subscribe. Goodbye.